Hello friends, welcome to our channel UPSC with Parmar sir. Myself Raja Parmar, and today we are going to cover July month's current affair. Right now we are going with 10 minutes series. So let's move. So the first important news from the July month is about Asia's largest solar power project, Riva Solar Project in Madhya Pradesh. So the 750 megawatt ultra solar power plant spread over 1590 acres. It comprises multiple solar generation units of 250 megawatt which are located on around 500 hectare area within the 1500 hectare area solar plant. The project has been built by Riva Ultra Mega Solar Limited. So this can we ask that the project is built up by whom? So it is built by Riva Ultra Mega Solar Limited RUMSL, which is a joint venture between Solar Energy Corporation of India SECI and Madhya Pradesh Urja Vikas Nigam Limited MPUVBN. The second important news is about Indian Railway has set up solar plant in Bina. So Madhya Pradesh it is now the first organization in the world to directly supply power to railway overhead line. That was important. Another important one is about World Bank and central government have collaborated to convert the ravines of Chambal area into tillable lands. So now it will be under this land will be tillable land. So means people can cultivate this land. So this was important. Another important one is Hamar Ghar Hamar Vidyalay scheme. The scheme provides a school-like environment to the children taught at their home through online classes. Under the scheme, the school bells will be heard in the student's house, and teacher will begin the class of the student after the bell. So this is something unique. The class timing will be for 3 hours from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. So 3 hours की क्लास रहेगी 10 am to 1 pm with 1 hour class for each subject. The scheme aims to provide the subject enhancement for the teacher of primary and secondary class until class 8th. So this was something important. Another important one is Madhya Pradesh has started Intezar Aapka social media campaign to attract tourists. Intezar Aapka, which literally means waiting for you, is the campaign to promote the tour package prepared by Tourism Board with various guidelines regarding the pandemic situation. The board invites tourists on a safe trip to various religious and adventure tourist locations in the state of Madhya Pradesh. So it was something important. The other important news are this. So another one is MP government has launched Roko Toko, a campaign for those who do not wear mask in the ongoing pandemic situation. So this is not so that much important, but the Roko Toko, that name is something unique. So that can be asked. Madhya Pradesh Governor Lalji Tandon died at the age of 85 in that month, July. मध्य प्रदेश के गवर्नर लालजी टंडन जी की डेथ हो गई थी. So at that time he was 85. He was the 20th governor of Bihar. He was the 22nd governor of Madhya Pradesh, and he took charge of office on July 20, 2019. He was elected to the 15th Lok Sabha from the Lucknow constituency in May 2009. He remained the leader of opposition party from 2003 to 2007 versus as MLA. So that was something important. See, the question can be asked from the current affair wala part. Maybe they can ask the Lalji Tandon was which governor, and they can ask from the governor wala part from the polity sections from everywhere. Like they can be asked first governor general governor. So you have to be conscious about it, this governor wala part. So this was something from July months and which is finished now. So okay, bye, have a nice day.